Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing, and it is a box. It's only a little box though. They're AA batteries, they're rechargeable batteries. I thought I'd do a little unboxing and show you. And the reason I bought these is because when I'm doing my recordings I get through quite a few batteries on my mic setup, my BOYA mic. It does use quite a few batteries. So I thought, can't keep paying out for batteries, although it's not too expensive nowadays compared to what it used to be years ago. But I thought I'll do some rechargeables and see how I get on with them. See if they're worth the money. Cost me about £16 or just under that from Amazon. And these are Amazon Basics, and it's basically their own products, or it's their own branded products, I should say. So it says here on the box, AA high capacity rechargeable batteries, 8-pack. And they've been pre-charged, ready for use. So, rechargeable batteries. So they've been pre-charged. They're 2,500 ohms, and the outer jacket may vary, it says. And what that means is it may be a different colour to what you get to what I get, depending on when you buy them. At the moment, they should be grey and green. So with that, shall we get on with the unboxing? So see that right? Anyway, I'll quickly show you around, I know you like to look. It doesn't say much on there. Loads of information, made in Japan. That's about it really. A bit on the side. Right, let's get on with it. It's got a little arrow, so I'm assuming you open it from that end. Don't know why, but what difference it matters. We'll try and do it from the end, it says. There you go. So yeah, grey with a green top, and probably some instructions. Well, a lot of instructions by the looks of it. Jesus. So instruction manual. So see that? Loads to read. Oh, different languages. So that's not too bad. There you go. Different languages. So we only want the English bit. Well, I only need the English bit. So what we've got, save these instructions to reduce the risk of leakage, heat generation, electric shock, fire or explosions. And then it's got a warning, danger, do not open, hopefully you're not that stupid you would try and open them. And children should be supervised. So it's just a basic thing. I don't think it actually tells you anything else, does it? No, not really. So I'll get them out the package, I should say. I have a rechargeable device anyway, which I'll show you in a second. So there's the batteries. What I'll do now is I'll show you the charger. Right, can you see it okay? So this is my charger. I've had this for a few years now, so it's looking a bit dusty and that. So if I can find it on Amazon or somewhere else, I'll stick a link in the description for you in case you decide you want to buy one of these as well. So anyway, what I'm going to do is put the batteries in. Like I said, it's been pre-charged, and as you can see on my display, or not, let's move that out of the way. So, as you put the batteries in, it lights up. So, quite a good device. It should take all my batteries. This little thing takes various batteries, takes the big fat ones as well, as you can tell. Can't remember what the model numbers are now. There you go. So it's charging up. You can do a soft charge, which is a very slow charge, or just a standard one. So it doesn't charge it rapidly, because obviously you want the batteries to last. If you charge too fast, the batteries will wear out very quickly. So that's it really. So I just wanted to show you my batteries, my new batteries, obviously from Amazon or Amazon Basics. And like I said, I'll stick a link in the description, or show more. And I'll move the camera back while that's charging, because that's going to take probably about an hour, I would have thought, maybe longer. Like I said, they've been pre-charged apparently, but they would only been slightly charged because obviously they're not allowed to ship them out fully charged because they could explode, could it be dangerous. Alright, so that's the unboxing of these little AA rechargeable batteries from Amazon Basics. And like I said, I'll stick a link in the description or show more. I know some people don't know what the description is. It's a bit below the video. You get a little bit and then there's a button below that says show more. Click on that and it opens up more, and then you'll have all the links in there. So if you can't find the links, that's where they are. Or they should be anyway. So that's it. That's the unboxing of my AA batteries. Not much to look at really. And what I'll do, I'll stick something in there at the end and show you how long or tell you how long the batteries lasted. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. So if you have any comments, please post them below. If you like my video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.